Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to give you 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords for the day. They're low competition, they're high demand, they can be used to make low content and medium content books using the keywords that they've been carefully researched using 4 free Chrome extensions that I've outlined in the description box below this video. Now let's get started and talk about the first keyword for the day, and it is regarding how to draw theme for the theme of how to draw nature. So if the first keyword is how to draw nature for kids, and it has amazing potential. First of all, we have a strong keyword niche score by self-publishing titans of 63, and I'm quite happy with that. Green light right here, ready to go. Also, the total results are under 1,000 and they're currently sitting at 711. The average bestseller rank is 365,641, so they're within that 300,000 range, and this is also great to see. Of course, the lower the better. The average reviews are an outstanding 2,825, and the average price is $8.46. So because of this beautiful data right here, a strong keyword niche score by titans, a total results under 1,000, average bestseller rank in between that 300 to 400,000. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to ignore the number 5 given by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension because it does not go well with this wonderful data that we have here. So the book that you're going to create is a 8.5 times 11 inch book, large print, which has exercises to do with how to draw. So you can either have a step-by-step how to draw, or you can have it in a grid like format, with the whole grid, and then there would be a template that you would use that's available for you in Creative Fabrica. I've talked about that before on the channel. You can check out the video linked below where I go ahead and show you a step-by-step how I personally make how to draw books on Canva. Now you can also get a 30-day free trial for Canva Pro linked in the description box below, as well as pinned in the comments section. Also, you can get a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica, which includes an all-access free trial where you'll be able to download a set of a maximum of 10 KDP interiors or keywords or elements that you can use as well, available for commercial use. So make sure you check out the free trials linked below in order to take full advantage of this opportunity. So basically, think about nature, all the elements to do with nature. There's mountains, there's lakes, there is trees, there's forests, there's even deserts, anything to do with nature. You're going to combine all these together, and you're going to combine them together in a really easy way to understand way for children. Now you can also add in the educational element to it by inserting a fun fact to do. For example, if you have a sheet that shows children how to draw a forest, you could have a fun fact to do with forests that way, or maybe it depends on the age of the child that you're trying to target. If it's really younger children, and that's up to you for you to niche down. So if we're talking about preschoolers, if we're talking about children that are around the age of 5, 6, you can also include the word next to the actual template inside the book. You could include the word, for example, forest, in a trace font to allow the child to trace that word, and that would also be quite interactive for the lovely children out there who their parents or their caregivers are purchasing this book. So the first keyword was how to draw nature for kids. We have the second keyword is how to draw nature for beginners, and this also has a wonderful profitable metrics to it. First of all, we have a strong keyword niche score by self-publishing titans of 69, and it's a solid 69. Also, total results are 2,242, and it is within that 1,000 2,000 range, so that is also great to see. The average bestseller rank is 226,053, so it's within that 300,000 or less. The average reviews are sitting at 792, and the average price is $9.55. Now, you could also sub-niche whether you want the book to be specifically for adults or for children as well. And it's simply for beginners. It's for the really new people to drawing, total beginners. So try to make it minimalistic, try to make it in a step-by-step process as well. And also that would be nice if you could add in that interactive educational element to it as well. and you can niche down based on whether you want it to be that again for adults or for children and different niche groups as well. So let's have a look at the third and the final keyword for today's video, and it's also how to draw nature, and it is how to draw nature themes, and it has wonderful potential. First of all, we have an 8 really strong keyword niche score, the strongest out of all the 3 keywords that we dived in today's video, and our keyword niche score is 77. Also, the total results are under 1,000, and they're currently sitting at 503. Average bestseller rank is also under 300,000, and it's currently averaging 141,000. 513 average reviews are 545, and the average price is $9.82. And we have a strong keyword niche score of number 8 by Amazon Scout Pro, which clarifies and confirms the strength that and the 77 given by Titans as well. So number 9 is the highest. I'm pretty happy with number 8 right here. How to draw nature scenes. So in this book, we're going to focus on specific scenes and not necessarily for beginners, because when it comes to scenes, there's a lot of detail involved as well. So I would kind of aim this book to be either purely for adults or for the preteens, so around 12 and up, 13 and up as well. And we're going to incorporate different sorts of elements in the images as well, and it's best to incorporate the grid format for how to draw. So it's not the step-by-step format, it's going to be the grid format. It's better for these kinds of drawings. Now, available on Creative Fabric, let's have a look if there's anything that we can use for how to draw for our 3 keywords. So let's go to how to draw nature and see if there's anything available for us. Nature, then again, not only is just the forest and the ocean and the lakes and anything like that, it's also nature, animals, wildlife. So you can incorporate mushrooms, you can incorporate different kinds of butterflies and different kinds of wildlife and animals and possums and deers as well. So you can have a mega how to draw a book that way. So I'd have to end this video today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.